Good morning, girls. So let me start discussion about the end of term coverage. Firstly, we are going to discuss the multiple choice question. So let me take the first question of multiple choice question from end of coverage. So this is the first question. Here, use the statement to write compound statement. So compound statement for each conjunction or disjunction, right? So look at the first question. Let me take this question on my screen. So here is your first question. So here what is the meaning of, so firstly, P and Q. So what is the meaning of P and Q? P and Q, right? So firstly you can see that what is true and false. -3 and -2 is -5, which is true. Vertical angles are congruent, that is also true. So this statement is also true. Statement can be false, it can be true. But these two P and Q both are true. Are 2 plus 8 is greater than 10. This is false. This is false because 2 plus 8 equal to 10, not greater than 10. So now P and Q, what is the meaning of the first part, P and Q? So P and Q. So P and Q. So this one is true, and this one is also true. And this is the sign of and. So true and true is always true. True and true is always true. So they're asking find the truth value of this. So truth value is true for this. Remember the table for that: true, false, false, true, false, false. This is for and. If one of them is false, it will be false. If this is also false, this is also false, and true, true is true. This is for, I'm discussing here for and. If one of them is false, it will be false. So here, this is true, true. So what result we are getting here? True, true is true. So next one is, if you see now this one, P or Q. Sorry, P and Q. This is also a sign of and. P and Q. Now if you see P is true, but R is false. But R is false. So if one of them is false, it will be false. So this result will come false. Let me discuss question number 5 and 6. Here question number 4. Question number 4, R is what? R is false. R is already false. So R is false. And what about Q? Q is true. Now it is a sign of or. If one of them is true, it will be true. So this is what I'm telling you here. This is for and. For or, if one of them is true, it will be true. So false true, then we have false false, and then we have true true. So if one of them is true, it will be true. This is also true, this is also true, and this is also one is left here. False true is false, false is false, and this is true. So this is a table for or, and this is the table for and. If one of them is true here for or, then it will be, if one of them is true, it will be true. If one of them is false, in and, it will be false. Now look at the question number 5 and 6. So you can pause the video. Let me take this screen again. So again, now look at the question number 5 and 6. I'm going to discuss question number 5 and 6. What is the meaning of that? So this part of screen I'm going to delete it because I need the space to write. Look at the question number 5 now. 5 is negation of P. We know that this is true. Q is also true, and R is false. So what about question number 5? What is the meaning of this sign? Negation. Negation means opposite and Q. So -3 -2 equal to 5. So what is the negation of that? This is negation means opposite. That means -3 and -2 is not equal to 5. So what is the opposite of this? -3 -2 is not equal to 5. Here it is equal to 5. P is giving the true result, then negation of P will give you the false result. So this is a sign of negation. Negation means opposite sentence. So this is false because -3 -2 is so this is a false statement. Similarly, negation of and. This is sign of and. Negation of Q. Q is true already. So vertical angles are congruent. So what is the meaning of that? It says that it is not congruent, which is also false. Vertical angles are always congruent. So what is the negative of that? That means they are not equal, which is false. So false and false will give you the result false. So this is how we are going to solve the question number 1 multiple choice question. Let me move to, if there will be any doubt, please ask me. Let me move to the next question. Now the multiple choice question number 2. It has so many questions we have given, one by one we will discuss all. So some of the question you can try from your side also. So look at the first question here, which is very easy. Angle, the measure of the angle ABC is given. So ABC angle is given here. Let us suppose this is A. Let me draw the angle ABC. So let us suppose this is, and ABD is 70 degree and DBC. Let me see, its diagram is given to us. Yes, its diagram is given to us. So this is the diagram for the question number 1 and 2 and 3. Let me delete the other parts. So look at this diagram, what we have given here. So what they are saying here, find the measure of ABC. So we need to find out ABC. This is ABC, complete angle ABC. ABD is 70. So ABD. So firstly I'll forget the part of this. So ABD, just I would draw ABD. So this is A. This is B. And this is D, suppose. They have given ABD. ABD is 70. So this complete angle is 70 degree. Then they have given DBC. DBC is this angle, suppose this is DBC. Here is C. This is given to us 43. So just you need to add here. Total ABC is how much? Total ABC is ABD plus. So ABC, measure of angle ABC will be equal to 70 plus 43. 43, which is 113 degree. So this is your ABC. This is your question number 1. Just you have to add, because they're asking, you need to forget this line. Forget, there's no meaning of this line in the question number 1. I'm forgetting this line. Then this plus this is 70, this is 70, and this is 43. So total ABC, just you need to add. Look at the second question, second part of this. Let me delete this. So second question is what they're talking about. Let me take the diagram again. So here is the diagram. Which angle we have now? EBC 55. EBC, this one is given to complete 55. And they're asking EBD 20. This is 20. Sorry, not this, ABD. EBD is 20 degree. E, B, and D. This is 20. And this complete is from here to here is 55. Complete. This complete is 55. So just you need to subtract, because this complete from here to here it is given. From here to here it is a 55. So you need to find out angle 2. So angle 2 is angle 2 55 minus 20, which is 35. Because from this complete angle we have, this complete angle is given to us. From here to here is 55, this angle. And this is 20. So how much angle 2? Angle 2 will be 35, because total is 55. So this is angle 2. Then look at angle 3. Angle 3 will be, let me take the diagram again. So what will be this? This is ABC. Complete angle ABC is given 110 from this complete ABC. And angle 2 36. This is given 36 degree angle 2. We need to find out ABD. So there is no meaning of this ABD. We need to find, forget this line. There's no meaning of this line, this angle. So they are asking, this complete is 110. Complete ABC 110. So what is angle 2? Angle 2 will be equal to, angle 2 is 36, and angle ABD is also given. So simply need to find out ABD. Angle ABD is 110. Complete 110 minus 36. then you are left with this angle only, this angle, because we need to find, just subtract it. So 10 minus 6 is 4, and 10 minus 6 is 4, and 10 minus 3 is 7. So this is your ABD. So these first three questions done. Now look at the question number 4. It has a different diagram. Let me take the diagram from the question. So let me delete this. Let me take the diagram for question number 4. Diagram for this we have here. Yes. I will take question number 4 and 5 together. Okay. So look at 4 and 5. Still we are discussing multiple choice question number 1 as question number 2. So it is given, this is given to you. With this is we need to find out, and angle 1 is given to you 112. So this is very easy. This is a linear pair, straight angle. So what you will do, 180 minus 112. Similarly, question number 5, this angle is 90 degree. Angle 1 and angle 2 is complete 90 degree. Angle 2 is given 44, so just subtract from 90 because only this angle is 90. So just you have to subtract here from 90, you get angle 1, and in this question you have to subtract from 180, you will get the angle 2. Now move to the next questions. Next question, they are asking to write the two column proof. So let me take question number 6, 7, 8. So question number 6 first, we need to write the two column proof for it. So two column proof is, just you note the reasons. One side you will write the statements, and one side you will write the reasons. This side statement and this side reasons. So what they are saying here, angle 2 equal to 4 given. Angle 2 is congruent to angle 4, which is given. Why I'm writing this? Because this is given. Then we need to prove that angle 1 and 2, angle 1 and 3 are equal. So now this angle, now angle 1 plus 2, what is angle 1 plus 2? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90 degree. Why? What is the reason? Complement theorem. So complement theorem, you can give the reason here. Similarly, you can write angle 3 plus 4 is also 90 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 90 degree. Same reason, complementary theorem, complementary angle theorem you can say. Reasons are very important. So now you know that this is 90, this is 90. If one side of the equation is equal, other side will also be equal. So angle 1, so what you can write here? Substitution. Just you can say that in place of 90 degree, you can write 1 plus 2. So angle 1 plus 2 equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. What is the reason? You can say substitution. In place of 90, I am writing 3 plus 4 because 3 plus 4 is also 90. So you can say substitution. So now what is equal here? Angle 2 and angle 4 are equal. So equal terms can be cancelled out. So you can write here angle 1 plus angle 4, because in place of angle 2 you can write angle 4. Angle 3 plus angle 4 as it is. Again substitution you did because angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Now simplification, same term both sides will be cancelled out. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 3, hence proved. So this is done. So angle 1 equal to 3. Similarly, next question. There are so many reasons to prove these questions, but it should be mathematically it should be correct. Similarly, you can write reasons here why angle 2 equal to 4. So firstly, angle 1 equal to 3. It is given. So statements, and one side is the reasons. So firstly, you can write angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. This is given. Then which angles are equal here? How to prove that angle 2 equal to 4? Because here the lines are given parallel. So we need to prove angle 2 and angle 4 is equal. But this is again not given that they are parallel or not. Simply you can write angle 3 plus angle 4, 180 degree. Supplementary angle theorem. Supplementary angle theorem. Similarly, angle 1 plus 2 is 180 degree. Supplementary theorem, same theorem, or you can say linear pair. Again, right side is equal, so left side will always also equal. So angle 3 plus angle 4, if the right side is same, then it will be also equal. Angle 3 plus 4 is equal to angle 1 plus 2. So now what are the same things? Angle 1 and 3 are equal. Angle 1 and angle 3 same terms will be cancelled out. So you can say that angle here you can substitute. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to congruent to, in place of 1 you can write angle 3 plus angle 2. So angle 3 cancel out. So angle 2 equal to 4, hence proved. So 4 equal to 2, that means 2 equal to 4, symmetric. So this is, you can say, substitution here. Here the reason is substitution. Here the simplification, you can say. Simplification. And here you can say symmetric, because 4 equal to 2, that means 2 equal to 4, congruent to 4, so symmetric. So here we need to give just reasons. Similarly, question number 8 you can try from your side. Let me move to the next question. So this is your multiple choice question 1 and 2. Now the question number 3, multiple choice question. I have left few parts in question number 2 that you need to practice by yourself. If you're facing any problem, we are conducting the online classes, you need to join on time. So look at the question number 1. So question number 1, they're asking that determine the coordinates of the reflection of this image. So whenever y is equal to x line is given, so you need to see the coordinates of A. So what are the coordinates of A? This is 1, 2, 3, minus 3 and 2. What are the coordinates of B? 0, 1. And what are the coordinates of C? C is 1, 2, minus 2, and 1, 2, 3. Minus 2 and minus 3, these are the coordinates of C. Now how to reflect in the equation y equal to x? So just you need to swap the numbers. So a is minus 3 2, a is minus 3 2, which will become a dash. Just swap the numbers, 2 minus 3. Similarly, b is given to you 0 1, it will become 1 0. Similarly, c is minus 2 3, swap the number, c dash will be minus 3, will be minus 3 and minus 2. So just you can show these points on the number in the graph, and that will be the reflection of this. So a dash is 2 minus 3, will be 2 minus c 2 and minus c down 1 2 3. So this is my a dash, 2 minus 3. B dash is 1 0, 1 0 is this point, this is 1 0. The next point is minus 3 and minus 2. Minus 3 will be here and minus 2 will be down, because minus 3, this is minus 3 and minus 2 will be here. This is minus 3 and minus 2. Now you can join these points. So this is the reflection in the line y equal to x. Which line is y equal to x? Y equal to this line which passes through origin, 1 1 minus 1 1. So you can see this is a reflection. So just you have to swap in this, nothing you have to do. Just swap the numbers and you will get the reflection of this. Look at now the question number 2 3 4, they are same. 2 3 4, they are same. So we will do one question of 1 and 3. 1 just now I completed 1 and 3 same, and 2 and 4. Okay, let me discuss the question number 2. Just reflect on the line. So let me make this image a little bit large. So now x is equal to minus 1, so you have to draw line x is equal to minus 1. Where is line x is equal to minus 1 is this line. So now I have to see how to draw the diagram of this x is equal to minus 1, because this line is here is minus 1, so that's why this line is x is equal to minus 1. So let me now reflect it. Now e point is how much far away from this line, 2 units, so you have to go 2 units this side, so it is e dash. Similarly, for f is how much far away from this red line, 1 2 3 4 boxes, so you have to go 4 boxes that side. So but I don't have the space here, so it will be somewhere here, 1 1 2, yeah, we have space here, yes, this one, because we have to go 1 2 3 4. This is my f dash, so this is my e dash, this is my f dash. Now let me try d. D is only one box this side, so one box you have to go. This is my d dash. And g is how much? 1 2 3 4 5. Just see the red line, 5. So start from here, 1 2 3 4, and 5 will be somewhere here outside. So you can join the points and you will get the reflection of this. So this is the reflection of this, and this point is g dash. Just you have to see how much far away is g from the red line. It is 5 unit, 5 boxes you have to go from the red line this side. So this is how we reflect whenever the line x is equal to minus 1 or any number is given. Similarly, look at the question number 4. Question number 4 is y is equal to minus 2. So draw a line y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 is this line. This is y is equal to minus 2. So let me draw it with the other color so that it can be visible, clear. Okay, same way, but still we have this is y is equal to k is how much far away from this line, 2 boxes, so go 2 boxes down. This is k dash. How much is n? 1 2 3. This is my n. Where will be this point? This point will be somewhere down. How much it is? 1 2 3 4 5, but I have less space. 1 2 3 4 and 5 will be somewhere here, suppose. And last one is very far away, so one point will be somewhere down, so it will be like this. Just join the points, and one point will be somewhere down. So this is how we reflect, because you have to go this m is given. M is how many boxes? One. How many units? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 units you have to go down. So this is how we are going to do question number 3. Question number 4, they are asking, this is very easy, that they are asking that you need to find out the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. You know that when the lines are parallel, the slope should be equal, and if they are perpendicular, this is the condition for parallel, and the product of the slope is -1, then they are perpendicular. This is a sign of perpendicular. So let me find out the slope. Slope of the first line is 2, second line slope is 2, slope is equal, so they are parallel. Similarly, question number 11, this is minus half. Coefficient of x, just see the coefficient of x, and here's the coefficient of x. When you multiply inside 2, it is 2x. So this is -1/2, and other slope is 2. Multiply them, they are not equal, so they are not parallel. Now if you multiply them, 2 and 2 cancel out, so it is coming -1, so they are perpendicular. Or simple, if 1 is -1, what is the reciprocal of -1/2? Reciprocal of -1/2 is 2 over -1, and change the sign. Minus will become plus. So this is the slope of the second line. So they are perpendicular. Similarly, in question number 12, its slope is 3. Its slope is -1/3. Reciprocal of 3 is 1/3 with change in sign in -1/3. So they are perpendicular. Question number 13, its slope is 6 and its slope is -1/3. So they are not parallel, They are not perpendicular because 6 multiply minus 1 over 3 is minus 2. So it is not coming minus 1, and even the slope is not same, so they are neither. What about question number 14 and 14 and 15? Here you cannot see, you know that what type of lines are these? They are perpendicular or what? You know that where is x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2, this line, suppose this is 1 and 2. So this line is x is equal to minus 2. And y is equal to 10, y is equal to 10 somewhere up. So y is equal to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will be here somewhere. So this is y equal to 10. So these lines are perpendicular. This line x is equal to minus 2, and this is, they are already perpendicular. You can see. So they are perpendicular. And if they ask the slope, what is the slope of the what is the slope of this line? And this is slope of this line is 0. And slope of this is a horizontal line slope is 0, and vertical line slope is undefined. So here you don't see the slopes, just you need to draw the diagram and you can check they're perpendicular. So this question number 14, its slope is 0, and vertical line x is equal to this line is equal to x is equal to minus 2. Its slope is undefined. Always remember, the slope of undefined, a slope of the vertical line is undefined and horizontal is 0, but still they are perpendicular. Similarly, question number 15, where will be y equal to 5? Y is equal to 5 somewhere here. If you draw the diagram, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this line is equal to y equal to 5. And where is y is equal to minus 3? Down, 1, 2, minus 3. These lines are horizontal lines and they are parallel. So whenever one is given x and one coordinate of x is given and y is given, they are perpendicular. But here y is given, they are parallel. If they give you x is equal to 2 and x is equal to some value, they are parallel. So x is parallel, y and y values are parallel, but here it is perpendicular. And for 10 to 15, 10 to 13, just see the slope. If slope is same, they are parallel. If the product of the slope is minus 1, they are perpendicular. So this is easy question. Let me see any part of this is, any other part is given in this question? No, so this is very easy. So look at the question number 5 now. Let me discuss question number 5. Let me discuss these questions with you first. Okay, so look at the question number 5, very easy. Here you will use the property of exterior angle. So exterior angle property is sum of, so this angle 145, which is ACD, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. You will not include this interior angle, don't include this. So this exterior angle will be equal to sum of 95 and 2x. So just you have to simplify it. You know how to simplify it. Minus 95 minus 95, which is 0, and 50 is equal to 2x. So x divided by 2 divided by 2. So x is 25. So x is 25. Which angle they are asking? ABC. So ABC is 2x. ABC, B is in the, so angle ABC is given 2x. Substitute the value of x. X is 25. So which is, multiply this 50 degrees. So ABC is 50 degree. So here we are using the property of exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Similarly, question number 6, let me delete this. So question number 6 also, you can do this easily. So many questions we have practiced in the class also. So look at this, what is exterior angle? Exterior angle is 58. So 58 will be equal to, you will not include this other opposite angles, x plus x, x plus x, 2x, divided by 2, divided by 2. So what we will get? 2 and 2 cancel out, so x is equal to 29. Then angle F is x, so x is 29. So they are asking angle F, so angle F is 29 degree. So this is how we are going to solve these questions. Now look at question number 7. We need to take the diagram. You can pause the videos because I need the space, right? So that's why I'm deleting. So look at here the question number 7. Diagram is given to us. Just we have to focus on the diagram. So here we have given, if you see, angle 1, 2, 3 is given. Which one is the exterior? If I'll produce this line, then angle 1 is exterior. So angle 1 will be equal to opposite interior angle. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. So now you can substitute the values. Angle 1 is given 7x minus 7. 7x minus 7 is equal to angle 2 is 4x plus 2 and angle 3 is 2x plus 6. So we will solve this and we'll find out the value of x. So 7x minus 7 as it is, 4x and 2x is 6x, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So minus small variable 6x minus 6x both sides. So x is equal to x minus 7 equal to 6x and minus 6 cancel out, 8 plus 7 x is equal to 15. Now they're asking find the angle 1. So angle 1 is already we have 7x minus 7. So substitute the value 7 into 15 minus 7. So this will be 105 minus 7, which is 98. So this is your angle 1. So this is, I think, multiple choice question. 5 is done. Yes. So let me move to the next question now. Now the question number 7 here. The question number 7. Question number 7, how we are going to solve it. Question number 7 is very easy. So this is write a conjecture. So what is the conjecture here? Look at question number 1. What we have in the question number 1, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So what you would write the conjecture? Every time what they are doing, they are adding 4 here. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 12, 20, and 20 plus 4 is 24. So next term is 24. And what is the conjecture? How to write the conjecture? So what you would write here? Each time we are adding 4 with the preceding term. This is preceding term to get the next term. All right. So every time we are adding 4 to the preceding term to get the next term. Similarly, question number 2, it has a 2, then double 2, then triple 2, then 4 times, the next will be 5 times 2, 2, 2, 2. So what they're saying, but how to do it? So every time we are writing extra 2, right? Question number 3. Question number 3 is 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 1 over 8. So what we are doing? We're dividing by 2 every time. 1 divided by 2 is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 divided by 2 is 1 over 4. So we're dividing with 1 over 2. Dividing with 1 over 2. Dividing with 1 over 2. We are getting the next number. Or you can say that every time we are doing the half of the number. So what is the half of 1 over 8? What should be next term? It will be 1 over 8 divided by 2. 2 multiply here, so 1 over 16. So next term is 1 over 16. So every time we are making the half. This is easy now. 3 p.m. 12. This is easy. Now question number 5, 6, 7. You can, now here they have color. Here they have color. Now color is here. So what is the next? Next will be, where will be the color? Which part will be the colored? This part, fourth one, fourth quadrant, we say that. So now where will be the color? Color will be, you can color here. That's it. So question number 7 is very easy. Let me move to the question number 8. Again, every time they are decreasing the 2 boxes. So it has in the beginning 8 boxes, 8 minus 2, 6 boxes left, 6 minus 2, 4 boxes. Next will be 2 boxes only. Question number 8 now. Question number 8. Let me take this question on my screen. This is very easy. What they are asking here, types of the angles. So this you know already what type of angles are these, and you need to tell their names. So let me take this diagram. This is easy. 8 and 4. 8 and 4, what type of angles are these? 4 is here, 8 is here, corresponding. Both are on the down side and on the left side. So corresponding question number 9. So many questions we have discussed. 9 and sorry, question angle 5 and 15. Angle 5 here is here. So here is question number 5. Question number 9. 5 and 15 alternate exterior angles. So its names just you have to write. Question number 10. 12 and 14. 12 is here and where is 14? 14 is here, alternate interior. These are alternate interior angles. Similarly, question number 7 and 15. Where is 7? 7 is here and 15 is here, again corresponding. So just you have to go through the concept we have done for the parallel lines. I'm moving to the next question number 9. Yeah, all these questions you can do. Question number 18. Still it is a multiple choice question number 8. So it is what you can do here, what type of angle 3 and 10. So you can see 3 and 10 are alternate exterior angle, both are outside. State the transversal that connects 11 and 13. Which line is connecting 11 and 13? 11 and 13 P line is connecting. P line is connecting 11 and 13. Now question number 9. Multiple choice question. Let me discuss these questions. How many questions we have here? In this we have 22 to 27. So let me take these questions on my screen. Okay, so these are easy questions, not so difficult. So write an equation slope intercept form. Question number 22. So it is we know that. So what is the slope intercept form? That the equation is y is equal to mx plus b. Now they are saying that line is passing through. So what is the equation of given line? Equation of given line is 1 over 2x plus 9, y equal to 1 over 2. So what is the slope of perpendicular line? Slope of this line is 1 over 2x plus 9. This is the slope of the given line. So what is, suppose given line is this, its slope is 1 over 2. Its slope is 1 over 2. So what is the slope of perpendicular line? Slope of perpendicular, reciprocal of this, 2 over 1, and change the sign. It is a plus, it become minus. So equation of the required line is y is equal to minus 2x plus b, because the slope of perpendicular line is reciprocal and change the sign. And x and y is given because it passes through minus 7 and minus 4. So minus 4, y is minus 4, minus 2 times x is minus 7 plus b. So which is minus 4, this is 14 plus b. So therefore minus 14 both side, we are get minus 18 is the value of b. So therefore equation, this line will become y equal to m is minus 2x plus b. You can write this equation here, and b is minus 18. So this is the equation of perpendicular line. This is your answer. Just you need to change the slope, 1 over 2, and it will become minus 2 over 1. If it is a plus, it will become minus with reciprocal. Similarly, question number 23, you can pause the video. Let me delete this. Okay, question number 23, y equal to 7. All right, any line is parallel to y equal to 7, and it passes through minus 1 and 10. So you can see the graph for this. So where it would be minus 1 and minus 10. Let us suppose this is your x-axis and y-axis. This is your y-axis. This is your x-axis. So where it will be minus 1 and 10. Firstly, we'll see that where is the point minus 1 and 10. Suppose this is minus 1 here, and 10 is somewhere up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this point is minus 1 and 10. This point is given. Sorry, minus 10, not positive 10. So it will be down somewhere. Just wait. I thought it's a positive 10. So minus 1 and 10 will be somewhere. Let us suppose this is your x-axis. So minus 1 will be here, suppose, and minus 10 will be here somewhere. So minus 1 and 10 is this point. And where will be the line y equal to 7? Y equal to 7 will be above the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This line is y equal to 7. This line, the red line. This is a y equal to 7. So I need the parallel line to it which passes to this point. So this line will be like this. It is passing to minus 1 and 10, and this line is what? This line is equal to y equal to minus 10. No need to solve, just you have to give the answer. Y is equal to minus 10, this line, because it is passing through minus 10. So the equation of the line which is parallel to y is equal to 7 is y is equal to minus 10. No need to find out the slope. So just see the point, because the line is passing through minus 1 and minus 10. So this is your answer. The other line is y is equal to minus 10. Just take the second coordinate. Then next question, 24. 24 is 24 again parallel. So given line is equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 1. So what is the other equation which is parallel to it? Slope will be same, minus 2 over 3x minus 2 over 3. Slope is same plus b, because we don't know the y-intercept. Slope will be same because lines are parallel. One line slope is minus 2 over 3. Then the slope of other line is also minus 2 over 3 because they are parallel. It is written in the question. So x and y is given, 6 and 2, substitute 6 and 2. Y is 2 over 3 times x is 6 plus b. So 6 divided by 3, if you solve it, what do you get? Minus 4, because 3 2s are 6. So 2 multiply minus 2 minus 4 plus b plus 4 both sides, so b is equal to 6. Substitute the value of b here. So what is your answer? Y is equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 6. So this is the equation of parallel lines. Slope is same because they are parallel. That's why I've taken the slope same. So question number 25 same as 22. No need to do. You can practice this question same just like 22. They are perpendicular, so slope reciprocal with change in sign. 26 now. 26 they are saying that find the value of x and y, satisfy given condition, then graph the line. Okay. The line containing 4 minus 2 and x minus 6 is perpendicular. Okay, let us suppose I'll draw the graph also. Where are these points? These points, let us suppose this is my y-axis, this is x-axis. Where it will be 4 minus 2, let us suppose this is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and minus 2 down, So my first point is 4 minus 2 is here. Then x minus 6, I don't know what is x, that we will find out. And minus 2 and minus 9, minus 2 will be here somewhere. This is minus 2 and minus 9 is somewhere down. Let us suppose this is minus 9. So point is minus 2 and minus 9 will be here. So this is another point is 3 minus 4. This is another line, 3 minus 4, 3 and minus 4 will be down. 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 4 will be here. So if I'll join this, what I will get? This. This is the other line. Let us suppose this point is A and this point is B. So this line is passing through point A and B. This point is 3 minus 4 and A point is minus 2 and minus 9. Okay. Now I will find the slope of other line 4 minus 2. So slope of this line. So what you will do, let me take this here. Now I need the space, so I'm going to delete this. Okay, so slope of line, let us suppose this point is C and this point is D. So slope of CD, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is minus 6 minus minus 2, x2 is x minus 4, which is minus minus plus, so minus 4 over x minus 4. So this is the slope of CD. Now slope of AB, what will be slope of AB? AB, these points given y2 minus y1, directly I'm doing y2 minus y1, minus 4 minus minus 9 and 3 minus minus 2. Minus minus plus 13, 9 plus 4, 13, and minus minus plus 5, 13 over 5. So firstly I got the slope of CD in the form of x and slope of AB is 13 over 5. Now it is written that they are perpendicular. They are perpendicular, so you can, what will be the slope of other line? So either you can make the product is equal to minus 1, or you can do, so you can write now here, because lines are perpendicular, because lines are perpendicular. So what will happen? This slope multiply this slope, product of the slope should be equal to minus 1. This is the condition. So from here we will get x, we will solve it, and we will get x. Let me take this little bit up. You can pause the video later to see the steps. So we will solve it. How we are going to solve it? Multiply, cross multiply, 5 here, 13 here. So what we are getting? Minus 4, x minus 4, cross multiply. So it is minus 5 over 13. Again cross multiply this and this. So what we are getting? So we are getting minus 5 multiplied with this bracket, minus 5x and plus 20, minus 4 multiply minus 4, 20, and 13 into minus 4 minus 52. Solve it, minus 20 both side. So minus 20, if you do both side, you get minus 20 minus 72. So divided by minus 5, divided by minus 5, and what we are getting? So x is equal to minus 5 cancel out. So this will be divided, minus minus plus. So 5 ones are 5 to 14.4. See, we got x is equal to 14.4. So we got x. What we need to find out? Only they are saying find the value of x. So this is the value of x. So this question is done. So this is how we are going to do the question number 26. Just they are asking find the value of x. So what we need to do? First we need to find out the slope of CD, slope of AB, and their product, because lines are perpendicular. So condition is what? M1 multiply M2 is equal to minus 1. So that's why this is M1, this is M2. Cross multiply. After cross multiply, you get the, do the calculation and you will get the value of x. Let's move to the next question now. Now question number 27. This is 26. Let me delete this. Look at this question now, 27. Here we have 27. Still we are on MCQ 9. So it's easy. Again, lines are parallel. So find the slope of this line. So what is the slope? Let us suppose this is M1. Y2 minus Y1, X2 minus X1. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. Minus minus plus, which is minus 6 over 8. What is the slope of second line? This line. Points are given. Y2 minus Y1, and x2 minus x1, which is y minus 1 minus minus plus, which is 12. Now the lines are parallel, so slope will be equal. Make them equal. Minus 6 y minus 1 over 12 should be equal to minus 6 over 8 because lines are parallel. Cross multiply here and here. So 8 multiplied with both, 8y minus 8 and 12 into 6 minus 72 plus 8 plus 8. So 8y is equal to, this is minus 64 divided by 8 divided by 8. So y is equal to minus 8. So question number 26 and 27 very very important. If they are saying that they are parallel, just make the slope equal and get the value of y. If they say perpendicular, multiply the slope and it should be equal to minus 1 and get the value of variable. So question number 9 is completed. Now multiple choice question number 10. Here we need to find out the distance between the given line, perpendicular distance. So here we have all the questions are same. So let me take this on my screen and discuss these questions. So especially in these two type of question number 9 and 10, you need to draw the graph. For other we are going to apply the formula. So look at the question number 9. From the graph easily you can get the distance between the lines. So where is your line? Minus 1 and minus, this is minus 1 and 7. Where will be 7? 7 somewhere here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this line is y is equal to 7. This line is equal to y is equal to 7. This is y is equal to 7. Where is the other line? Minus 1. Minus 1 will be here. So what is the distance between these two black lines? Parallel line, they are parallel. So how much is the distance? 7 unit up, 0 to this is 7 unit, these are 7 unit and 1 unit down. So distance is 8 unit. So this is 8 unit. So distance is 8 because this line is y is equal to minus 1. No need to apply the formula here. Just see the boxes, 7 unit up and 1 unit down. So distance is 8. No need to apply the formula for this. Similarly, question number 10. Question number 10, again you need to draw the graph. Easy. Here's your y-axis, here's your x-axis. Just see where is minus 6. Suppose minus 6 is here. Suppose this line is minus 6. X is equal to minus 6. And other one is 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 is here. So how much is the distance from minus 6 to 5? 5 unit this and 6 unit this. It is the origin, so this is total distance is 11. This is 11 because this is 6. From 0 to minus 6 is 6 and 0 to 5 is 5. This line is x is equal to 5, so total distance is 11. Just add them. No need to apply the formula in question number 9 and 10. Just draw the graph and get the distance. Now come to the question number 11 to 17. So I told you question number 11, y is equal to 3x. Change into standard form. Go to other side. It is 3x minus y is equal to 0. Other equation change into standard form. Other equation is given y is equal to 3x plus 10. So y will be here and 10 bring here. So it will become 3x minus y is equal to 10. Minus 10. 10 is moving to the side, so minus 10. Now this is your a and b. So a is 3, coefficient of x is 3, this is 3, this is a. What is b? B is minus 1, coefficient of y minus 1. And what is c? This is c1 and this is your c1. a1 b1 is same. a1 b1 will always same because they are given here. We have here these are parallel lines or maybe perpendicular, that we will see how to find out. And c is c1 is 0 and c2 is minus 10. What formula I've given you for these are parallel lines, these are parallel lines. So how to find out the distance? Remember this formula. Formula is c1 minus c2 divided by a square plus b square. this you need to write in the absolute value. So 0 minus 10 C1 and C2 divide by a square plus b square. A is 3 square and minus 1 square. Square root 3 square and minus 1 square. Absolute value, so minus 10, 10 over 3 square is 9, 9 plus 1 root 10. Rationalize it, because square root we will never write on the denominator. Rationalize, same number multiply up and down, root 10 root 10. So it is 10 root 10 divided by root 10 into root 10, 10. 10 and 10 cancel out, so your answer is root 10. So this is square root 10 is the distance between the given lines. So in this question, it is very important to change into standard form and then get the value of C1 and C2 and A and B. Let me discuss one more question. Question number, any question you can try here. So look at the question number. I will take one more question from here. Apply the formula, please. C1 minus C2 divided by square root of A square B square. This is the distance between two parallel lines. Now, if I'll take question number, all these are I think parallel because slope is same everywhere. So this is slope is same. Let us suppose I will take the question number 16 or 15. Look at 15. Y is equal to 1 over 4x plus 2. Y, bring this side and bring the 2 this side, standard form. So 1 over 4x minus y, and 2 will go to the side minus 2. Similarly, next equation is this 4y minus x is equal to minus 60. It is already in standard form, but write x in the first position. So x in the first position minus x, we are not taking from left right, just we are swapping here, minus x and plus 4y is equal to a minus 60 as it is. Now change this into standard form, remove the fraction. So multiply by 4, divide by 4, and here also because make the denominator same. So what I will get? Denominator, all the denominator, this is 4, x minus 4y is equal to minus 8 over 4. So 4 cancel both sides, so this equation is x minus 4y is equal to minus 8. This equation in standard form, first number should be positive. So how to change? When you multiply all the term with minus 1, when you multiply with all the term with minus 1, what you will get? Same equation. It will become positive, it will become negative because we are multiplying with minus 1 and it is positive. Now you can see what is A, B, C. A is 1, so A is 1, here A is also 1, and B is minus 4, B is minus 4. And what is C1? C1 is minus 8 and C2 is 60. In the book, if you follow the book method, it's very long method. So just remember the formula. Let me apply the formula and let me get the answer of this. So the distance is equal to, so D is equal to C1 minus C2 divided by A square plus B square. Substitute the values. Absolute value, C1 is minus 8 minus 60, C1 C2. A square, 1 square is 1, minus 4 square is 16. So this is minus 68. It will become positive because distance is always positive. Absolute value will become positive, and root 17. Rationalize it. Root 17 multiply root 17. So 68. So distance is 68 root 17 divided by root 17. Root 17 is 17. 68 divided by 17 is 4. 4 root 17 is your answer. If they ask the answer in decimal, you can use the calculator and you can give the answer of this. So this is your question number 10. So all these questions apply this formula. First you change into standard form. Standard form always in this form, ax plus by, x should be positive. X coefficient should be positive. So this is how we are going to find out the distance between parallel lines. All these were parallel lines in question number 10. All questions are same. 9 and 10 graphically you have to solve. Now this question 18, 19 and 20. Let me take these three questions. It has a different formula here. Why? Because we need to find the distance from the line to given point. 18 and 20 is very easy. How to do it? Very easy. Look at here graphically you can do. Question number 18. What are the points given here in question number 18? Line is given y is equal to minus 3. So where is y is equal to minus 3? 1, 2, minus 3 is point here. So this is the line y is equal to minus 3. This line is y is equal to minus 3. Then the point is given 5, 2. Where will be 5, 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2 unit up. So this is 5, 2. Now you can see how much distance is from this line to this point. How much is this distance? 2 unit up. And how many unit down? 3 unit down. So 2 and 3. So total distance is 5. So its distance is 5. So that's why I told you question number 5, question number 18 and 20 you have to solve by graph. Okay, question number 20 also I will solve here. So where is question number 20? X is equal to 4. Which line is x is equal to 4? This line is equal to x is equal to 4. So I will draw the line x is equal to 4. This line is x is equal to 4 because it is passing through 4. Then point is given minus 2 and 5. Where will be minus 2 and 5? Minus 2, minus 1, minus 2 and 5 will be up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point is minus 2 and 5. Now what is the distance from here to here? How much is the distance? 4 unit this, because from here to here is 4 unit, and 2 unit this from here to here. So total distance is 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is 6. So this distance is 2 unit and 4 unit from this line. So this point is 6 unit away from the line x is equal to 4. Question number 19 is important. I need the steps and formula for that. Now look at the question number 19. Y is equal to 1 over 6x plus 6. Change into standard form. Divide, make the denominator all 6. Multiply 6 here, multiply 6 here, multiply 6 here, multiply 6 here. So this is 6y. Remove all the denominators now because it is 6. It will become x plus 36 and divide by 6. So 6 will cancel with 6. Take y this side and bring 36 here. So what is the equation? X minus 6y is equal to minus 36. We change into standard form. What is A? A is 1. What is B? Is minus 6. And C is minus 36. You can take, no problem. So what is the formula here? That you have to remember. It's better in the when you're going to use the formula, you can take minus 36 also this side. So what will become? It will become x plus x minus 6y. What should be this? Plus 36 is equal to 0. So it will become positive. In standard form, c should be other side, but I'm taking 36 this side, so take it as a positive. So what is the formula now? The distance of the point from the line. So this distance is different formula. Ax1. Earlier we have done the distance between two parallel lines. Now this is distance from the point to the line. This is the point, perpendicular distance. So formula is ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square b square square root. So what will be this? Substitute the values. D is equal to a is 1. And what is x1 y1? X1 y1 given in the question minus 6 and 5. This is your x1 y1. So x1 is minus 6 plus b B is minus 6, right in bracket because this is negative, and y1 is 5 given in the question, and C is 36, absolute value, a square b square, a square and b square, 1 square is 1 and minus 6 square is 36. So just we need to do the calculations, nothing else. So this will be minus 6 minus 30 minus 6 minus 30 plus 36 and root 37. So what will be this? This is coming 0. 36 minus 36, 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 over root 37. So distance, there is no distance. There is no distance between the point and the line. That means point is lie on the line. That means the given point in the line. So there is no distance. Distance is 0. So this is very important question. So simply you write here, the point is lie on the line. There is no distance. So whenever the distance is coming 0, that means point is lie on the line. So this is all about your multiple choice question number 10. Question number 11, multiple choice question. Proving lines are parallel. So 3 and 7, you have to give the reason. Why 3 and 7? So 3 is here and 7 is here. What type of angles are these? Alternate interior angles. So you will write because angle 3 is congruent or equal to angle 7. Therefore, which lines are parallel? 3 and 7. They are talking about 3 and 7. 3 and 7 are alternate interior angles. So when angles are equal, lines are parallel. But which line? 3 and 7. So 3 is here and 7 is here. So line A parallel to B. Reason? What is the reason? When the angles are equal, lines are parallel. Converse of alternate interior angle theorem. You need to give the reason. Converse of alternate interior angles theorem. Just you have to write the converse. Just this word you have to write. If the angles are equal, if the corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, if they are equal, then we write the word converse. Similarly, 9 equal to 11. If you see 9 and 11, they are corresponding. So A parallel to B, simply you will write because 9 equal to 11. So therefore, A parallel to B because converse of corresponding angle theorem. Question number 3, 2 and 16. 2 and 16. If you see this angle is 2 and 16 is down. So two lines are coming L and M. So you could write because 2 equal to 16. So therefore L parallel to M, and which angles are these? Again 2 and 16 are which one is 2 and 16? Where is 2 and 16? Sorry, 2 and 16. This is 2 and 16 is here. Converse of alternate exterior angle theorem. Converse. Always remember. Here you are writing the word converse. Question number 4, 5 and 12. 5 and 12. So again you will write L parallel to M because converse of which angles are this? These angles co-interior or consecutive angles. Their sum is 180 degree angle on the same side. So reason is by the converse of consecutive angle theorem. Question number 5, 1 equal to 6. So this is one angle and this is 6. Corresponding angle, same reason, converse of corresponding angle, G is parallel to H. G is parallel to H. Reason, because these angles are corresponding. So by converse of corresponding theorem, corresponding angle theorem. Question number 6, 7 and 6. So if you add 7 and 6, which lines are parallel? G and H. Which angle are these? On the same side, consecutive angle. So this plus this, 7 plus 6 is equal to 180 degree. So therefore line G parallel to H, because again the same reason, what reason you have given here, converse of consecutive or co-interior angles theorem. So this is the converse of consecutive angle theorem. So question number 11 is very easy. Let me move to the question number 12. MCQ 13, example 3, A part, it has a rotational symmetry or not. So for the rotational symmetry, we need to remember the concept that why it has a rotational symmetry or not. So the A part has a rotational symmetry because when you rotate it, then it should be same, it map onto same to itself before between 0 to 360. So when you rotate it, it will be same 5 times. If you rotate it 5 times, first time it will remain same. Second time if you rotate it, it will remain same. So 5 times if you will rotate it, it will remain same. So one time if you rotate it, this figure will remain same. So rotational symmetry means, why it has a rotational symmetry, that the figure can be mapped onto itself being rotated less than 360 degree. So whenever you rotate less than 360 degree even, this diagram will remain same. So that's why it has a rotational symmetry. Same way, question number, the C part has a rotational symmetry because it will remain same. Okay, so simple example I'll give you in this question. Look at this. I will rotate it. I will rotate it and it will remain same. So this is a diagram. I will rotate it one time means 90 degree. Again I will rotate it 90 degree plus 93 160 degree. So just sorry 180 degree. So I just rotated 180 degree and diagrams is still same. So that means I'm not rotating up to 360 degree, less than 360 degree. So that's why these two figure has rotational symmetry. And this I rotated 2 times, so its order is 2. And how to find out the magnitude? 360 divided by the order is 2, so divide by this 180 degree. That's why this one is 180 degree. And this figure will remain same if you rotate 5 times between 0 to 360 degree. So order is 360, order is 5, and the magnitude is 360 divided by 5. 360 divided by 5 is 72 degree. So its magnitude is 72 degree. Next B part, they're asking they have the point symmetry or not. So what is the point symmetry? Now you should know that what is a point symmetry. So for the point symmetry, a figure has a point symmetry if it can be mapped onto itself by rotation of 180 degree. So it will remain same if you rotate only 180 degree. So this figure I rotated 180 degree, it remains same. Similarly, if you rotate it 180 degree, it will remain same. So they both have, so part A has a point symmetry because suppose I will rotate it A 2 times 180 degree, then diagram will remain same. So this is your MCQ 13. Let me move to the 14th question. What is the 14th question now? So 14th question now, 14 MCQ. 14th, still 13 is going on. This was last was 12, not 13, it was 12. Now 13. 13 is, look at these questions. Let me take the question on my screen. What type of question we have here? Translation vector. So question number 13 now. It was question number 12. Now 13 is translation vector is given. This is translation vector is given. Name the image. So eighth question, just nothing you have to do. The f is given to you -3 and 1. And translation vector is given. Translation vector. How to write translation vector? We write x plus 5 plus 5 and y minus 1. So just you have to add and -1 because this is positive and 1 is negative. What is xy? This is your xy. Substitute here, that is your f dash. So f dash is -3 plus 5 and 1 minus 1. So this is 2 and 0 is your image. This is the image. So just you can say that here I am adding 5 and here I am subtracting 1 because translation vector. Similarly, here you will -2, 4 minus 2 is 2, and -2 minus 5 is -7. That's it. Its image. Similarly, 9 plus 3 is 12, and 1.5 minus 0.5 is 1. So these are the images. So this is easy. Now look at the question number 11. What they're asking that the image of the image of, so question 11, they are saying that minus 3a is given minus 3 and minus 5, and its image is a dash, image is already given 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1. So what is the translation vector? In this question, f is given, pre-image is given, and translation vector is given. Just now translation vector is not given, so how to find out translation vector? So translation vector is translation vector, that what operation you applied, what operation you applying here and here, so that you are getting this. So simple, you have to subtract them. So translation vector is 6 minus minus 3, this minus this, image minus original, and similarly minus 1 and minus minus 5. Just subtract the coordinates. So this is 9 and this is minus minus plus, 5 minus 1 is 4. So this is my translation vector. Same operation I will apply for the B. So therefore what will be the B? They are saying apply the same operation, find the image under the same translation. So same translation I will apply, 3 minus 2, this is the translation vector, so plus 9 and plus 4. What I will get? I will get 12 and 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, so this is your B dash. So whenever they're asking find the translation vector, just subtract image coordinates minus pre-image. Pre-image means original. So this is your question number 11. Now question number 12, what they're asking in question number 12. Yeah, explain why triangle A dash B dash C dash, which is A dash B dash C dash is the image, is not the translation of ABC. So it's not the translation. So A is given to you. A is A dash is minus 1 and minus 2. And what is A? A is 1 2. Then B dash image is 0 0, and original is pre-images of B, sorry, B is 0 0. B is also 0 0, and B dash is also 0 0. These are the images, and this is pre-image. Pre-image means original. And C dash is 3 minus 2, oh, sorry, it is a minus 6 0. Minus 6 0, and the pre-image is 6 0. So you need to find out the translation vector. Translation vector for this. What is the translation vector? How to find out the image coordinates minus this? So minus 1, subtract image coordinates minus original. So this minus this, and minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2, what I'm getting? I'm getting minus 2 and minus 4. So this is the translation vector for A dash, A to A dash. Then other one, similarly I will do subtract this minus this, 0 minus 0, and 0 minus 0. No need to find out the third. This is coming 0 0. So translation vector is not coming same for A and B. Similarly it will be different for C. So therefore you can say that A dash B dash is not the translation of triangle ABC, because translation vector is coming different. That's it. Whenever you're applying the translation vector, you have to apply the same translation vector to all the coordinates of the triangle. So this is your question number 12. 13 is very easy, no calculation. Determine whether this one is the translation of this one or not. Simply you will write in translation, the size always remains same, but here size is not same. This is a enlargement, this is the small figure, so therefore it is not the translation. Translation means just you change the location, but size and shape will remain same. So question number 13, size is not same, so therefore it is not the translation. Then I think one more question is there, question number 14 in this, that is, yeah, determine the translation vector that moves every point pre-image 4 unit left. I told you so many times, 4 unit left means minus 4. and 6 unit up means plus 6, so it will be minus 4 and 6. They are just asking the translation vector. 4 unit left means minus 4, 6 units up means positive 6, so minus 4 6 is the translation vector. Right means up, right means positive, left means negative. 6 up means positive, down means negative. So minus 4 and 6 is the translation vector. So this is your question number 13. Question number 14 now. So let me discuss question number 14. Let me take these questions. So question number 14. Here we need to apply the formula, very easy. Question number 4, I'm starting with the question number 4. Very easy. It is given that this angle and this angle is equal. Suppose this is x. This is x, so angle 2 will also be x. So add all the angles. X plus 146 is equal to 180 degree. Because here they have given the red mark here. That means these two angles are equal. So if angle 1 is x, so let angle 1 is x. So angle 1 is x, then angle 2 will also be equal. So x plus x 2x, and minus 146 here, minus 146 here. So we are left with 10 minus 6 is 4, 7 34. Divide 2, divide by 2. So x is equal to 34 divided by 2, 17. So therefore angle 1 and 2 is 17, 17. So this is also 17 and this is also 17 degree. So question number 4 is done. Now look at the question number 2. Question number 2 is easy. Let me see what they are asking here. Angle 1 and 2 are equal because there is vertical angle. Their vertical angle. Two angles are given. Third angle you can find out. Just add them and subtract from 180. So if I'll add these two angles, what I will get? It is 14 and 124, and subtract from 180. I added these two. I'm getting 124. So subtract from 180, what you will get? You will get 50. 10 minus 4 is 6, and 7 minus 2 is 556. So angle 1 is 56. If angle 1 is 56, then angle 2 will also 56, because vertical angle, these two angles will be equal. Now you can find out angle 3. You have angle 2 56. You have this angle O is 50 degree. Add them and subtract from 180 degree. So this will be 106, and subtract from 180 degree. That is your angle 3. So you can subtract it. So this is 74 degree. So angle 3 is 74 degree. So this is how we are going to solve these questions. So now let me delete these two questions. You can pause the video to see 2 and 4. Now look at question number 1 and 3. So what is 1 and 3? Find angle 1 and 2. So it's easy. So firstly you can find out this angle. This is 90 degree. Angle 2 you can find out easily. What is angle 2? Angle 2 is add this angle and this angle. 90 plus 30 120. 180 minus 120 60 degree. So this is 60 and this total is 90. This total is 90. So this is 60. So how much angle 1? Angle 1 will be 30 degree, because total angle R is 90 degree. It is given like this, that angle R is 90 degree. This one. So this one is 60. So this will be 30. So this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. So first you need to find out angle 2, because add this and this 120, subtract from 180. So angle 2 is 60. So this is 30 degree. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is same. We are going to apply the angle sum property. So two angles we have already in this. Two angles we have. So add them. 35 plus 36. I'm not writing thoroughly because these are just multiple choice questions. So when you add it, what you get? 5 plus 6 11, and 3 3 6 and 71. So subtract from 180 degree. So minus 71. 10 minus 1 is 9, and 17 minus 7 is 109. So this angle is 109. Angle 1 is 109, and this is a linear pair. This will be 71. 180 minus 100 line, because this is a linear pair, straight angle, or you can say supplementary. So 180 minus 109 is 71. So you got this 71, so this will be also 71 because vertical angle. This is 71, so this will be 71. So add 80 plus 71, what I'm getting 1, and this is 15, 115. This angle and this angle, 115, subtract from 180, you get 151. So 10 minus 1 is 9, 7 minus 1 is 2. So this is 29 degree. That's it. If two angles are given, add them and subtract from 180 degree, you get third angle. So this is your 14th question is done. Now we are left with the last multiple choice question, which is very easy, 15th. So look at the 15th question. We need to draw the line of symmetry. So very easy. How to draw the line of symmetry? This is very easy question for you. So easily you can do this. So what we can write here, simple, how many line of symmetry it has? It has three line of symmetry. This one, divided into two equal halves. 3, it has two line of symmetry. It has no line of symmetry, no line of symmetry, no line of symmetry. It has, you can draw the line here, it has line of symmetry here. 1, you can draw like this, then 2, then 3. So it has how many line of symmetry we have? 3. So you can do like this. Similarly, question number 6 and last question is, state found the hubcap shown in the below edge. This determine whether each hubcap has a rotational symmetry or not. Yes, they have the rotational symmetry because little bit you rotate, it will remain same. Rotational symmetry means you rotate less than 0 to 360 degree and it remains same. So all they have the rotational symmetry. So that's it. This is all about your multiple choice questions. If you feel any doubt or any question, we are taking online classes and you can join the classes as per the schedule. Thank you.